First of all, go to your profile, go to the three sidebars, click Settings and Privacy, go to Settings, scroll down to Preferences and click Taskbar, click on Customize the bar, and then, as you can see, if you find your marketplace hidden, just switch it to Auto or Pen. If you have it already, follow this step. Go back to the menu, scroll down, click Help and Support, and then Report a Problem, and then click on Continue to report a problem. Facebook will create a report, just wait a second, click Include, and then scroll down, click on Marketplace. In the describe the issue, type I'm having an issue with the marketplace not loading and send the report. Wait a second, we'll check your problem and fix it. If it does not fix, make sure to turn on plane mode and turn it off and try restarting your phone. That's it, see you in the next video.